Good morning, Algebra 2. Here I am making a video about we're going to be doing solving equations this year. Okay, so go ahead and follow along. So now you're on this page, on page 6. So remember that we're trying to create equations. Equations mean that we have equal signs. Yusawi, equal signs. Okay, so let's just follow the directions in the steps. It says pick a number, okay, any number, right? Pick a number, let's say 3. All right, there's our number. It says multiply by 3, subtract by 6, and it says the result is 12. Okay, when you see result, that means equal. So equals 12. So then I would do 3 times 6, 3 times 3, 9, then minus 6. It should be 12. But wait, 3 doesn't work. So we need to find what's the number that actually makes this work. Because 9 minus 6 is not 12. So I need to pick what number is going to make this all work. Okay? So then I have to say to myself, so this doesn't work. So then I say, question mark, what number times 3 minus 6 equals 12? In your groups, I want you to stop the video here and try to figure out what is that number. So pause the video. Okay, so now after you've thought about it for a while, you say, all right, well this right here, and you can get highlighters if you want, this right here, when I subtract 6, it has to equal 12. So what does this have to equal? Well, this has to equal 18, because 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, so in other words, I'm saying what number minus 6 is 12? Well, 18. Okay, well then to get 18, I have to multiply 3. What number times 3 equals 18? Well, that's 6. So 6 times 3 minus 6 equals 12. Okay, because 6 times 3 is 18. Then minus 6 is 12. So the answer is 6. So you have to find a number. So you're not just going to pick any number. You have to find what number is actually going to work. So let's try it again. So again, we don't know the number. Pick a number. It says divide, taksim, by 3. Then after I divide, actually let's write it like this. Divide by 3, then subtract 8, and the result is 6. Okay, so let's go backwards. So I know that this right here, after I subtract 8, it will equal 6. So what number, so I'm going to cover up this whole thing, what number minus 8 equals 6? Well, that would be 14, because 14 minus 6 equals 6. Sorry, 14 minus 8 equals 6. So how can I get this to equal 14? What number divided by 3 equals 14? That's hard. Okay, we'll just go the other way. 14 times 3, that's 42. Okay, so then 42 divided by 3 minus 8 equals 6. Because 42 divided by 3 is 14, minus 8 is 6. So our number is 42. And our number here was 6. So 42 is our answer. So what I want you to do in your groups is try for the next two, not these two at the bottom. Leave these other two here at the bottom of the page. You can do those we'll do those on a different day. But here these two, I want you to try to find that number. Okay, and let's stop the video there.